Here are 2 ways to send Snapchat photos to a WhatsApp contact. First, share Snapchat photo as a link. For this, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You can take a photo, or tap on the Memories icon left to the Snap button to choose an existing photo or video. Select the photo you want to share. Then tap on the 3 dots icon at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Export or Send Snap. Here, choose WhatsApp from the sharing options, and tap on the Share button from the bottom right corner. This will redirect you to WhatsApp. Select the contact you want to send it to, and tap on the Send button at the bottom. This method sends the snap as a Snapchat link. When someone opens it, the photo will open inside their Snapchat. Second, share Snapchat photo as an actual image. For this, open Snapchat and go to Memories. Here, select the photo you want to share. Tap on the 3 dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on Export or Send Snap. Instead of selecting WhatsApp, swipe left on this menu and tap on Download. Wait until you see the saved message at the top. Now close Snapchat and open WhatsApp. Open the chat where you want to send the photo. Tap on the plus icon left to the message box. Here, select the Photos option. From the gallery, select the downloaded Snapchat photo and tap on Send. The photo will now be sent as a normal image on WhatsApp instead of a Snapchat link. And that's it.